This 2021 Mercedes-Benz 144 4x4. 2021. It's got the nice running boards on the side. Come on, now this has the amazing upgrade right there. Power sliding door. Outside is absolutely perfect. No real flaws to it. Brand new Patagonia tires. Black rims. You got all the upgrades for this year. These are upgrades. These are rear windshield wipers. You got the all the tow package as well as the step to get up in, which is really nice. Again, just beautiful. The running boards down here below to get in and out. Just a really good looking 4x4 Sprinter. 80,000 miles on it. Ready to go. Probably check out the inside. You got to step up to get in, which is really nice. You have heated seats. Which is a nice upgrade. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. You have the adaptive cruise control, which is a must on these vans to help in traffic. Got about 80,000 miles on it. This has an awesome screen on it. You got navigation on it, which is wonderful. XM radio, phone connectivity, all the apps that Mercedes offers. And the biggest upgrade right here. Power, starting sliding door on the side. Push this button right here, and your side door opens right up, which is awesome. You got the plugins up here for Apple CarPlay. You plug in and charge your side real nice. Again, you can pull the handle, or it's on your key fob. Open this door right up. Power. Kids can get in and out. These doors are heavy. That is such a nice upgrade. Beautiful interior, 12 passenger. All the inside is in great condition. You have these charging ports on each row. The back row has 2 charging ports on each side. Got them on the wall there. You have the nice roof shelf up top. This thing is beautiful. Back. This thing's got a lot of nice cargo space. You've got plenty of room for toys, for kids. Throw them in there. You got step up inside. Handle here to get inside. This thing is so nice. High roof. Walk right in.